Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make an image transparent. So as you can see, I'm now in Canva and I have an image of a Lamborghini and I want the background, this great white background of this Lamborghini to be transparent. So what to do? Now you can tap on this image just by tapping it, and then you select the image and then you can go to edit photo right here. And then under effects and then under tools you see background remover, BG remover. So you can tap on it, but as you can see, I need to upgrade to Canva Pro Premium in order to, remove the background of this image. So what I can do is I can try Canva Pro for 30 days totally for free. As you can see, cancel anytime. We will remind you 7 days before your trial ends. So totally for free. And then you can, remove the background and have a bunch of other advantages. That's one way of doing it. I will show you how it works in a Canva Pro account. As you can see, this is a Canva Pro account and I have the image of a Lamborghini right here. So I just tap on it and go to edit photo and then tap on BG remover, background remover. I tap on it and boom, the background is now transparent. As you can see, if I want to, erase this part because it's not totally fine, it's not perfect, I can just easily remove it. And of course you can be more precise when you zoom in and stuff, but that's not necessary right now. So another way, and this way is totally free, is just by going to remove.bg. So go to this side, remove.background, remove.bg, and as you can see, you can drop an image, upload an image right here. So I'm pasting my Lamborghini image, and as you can see, there's the original image, and boom, now the background is transparent. Now the background is removed. So you also can edit this image, as you can see. So you can tap on erase / restore, tap on erase, and the brush size is now really big, so make it smaller. And again, you can zoom in right here, and then you can delete it. So you of course need to be really precise if you want to do this perfectly. So that's a way of doing it. So I do recommend you buying Canva Premium because it's just much better. It has a lot of advantages which are really, really nice. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.